Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change Naver app to English. It's really simple and easy. First of all, just open the Naver app. After that, from your top left corner, go to the menu bar. Now you will see a gear icon. Tap on it, scroll down, and then you will see this globe icon, which is represented for language. So you have to simply tap on it. Now simply select the language that you prefer. If you prefer English, select English, and you will see there is no option of English in my application, but if yours do, simply select English. But if your does not as well, go to your preferred browser and open Naver as a web version, and then from there you will be able to change your language to English doing the same process. So that's pretty much it. That's how to change Naver app to English. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.